Students, welcome in my class. In today's maths class, which I call step by step class, we will do division today. So I hope you have done your multiplication also. Yesterday we have done multiplication, today we will do division. So see, division, this is the symbol of division. Look at here. So if we write like this, 6 divided by 2, and like this, and in fraction also, all meaning division. In all these written manner, we are dividing the number 6 by 2. So if it is written like this, we will divide. If it is written like this, we will divide. And if it is written like this, it is also symbol of division. After this, see how I have arranged this one. 6 divided by 2. So we will read this table of 2. So when 6 comes in the table of 2, we will write 2 3 ja 6. So we have to write 3 number here. So 2 3 ja 6. So 6 we will write below this number. So this 6, again we will write 6, then we will put minus sign and do subtraction. So it will become 0 because 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So the number which we write above, it is called quotient. We denote it by symbol Q. And remainder. Remainder means the last answer after subtraction which we got, that is remainder. Remainder means जो बच जाता है. So in second question, 18 divided by 2, we will think in our mind that when 18 comes in the table of 2, so see here 1 is not going with 2, so we will write here 0 for first digit. Then we will take 18 in mind. So we will think of 18 because 1 is less than 2. So 2 9 ja 18. So we will write here 2 9 ja 18. Or you can write directly 6 also. So you should follow your school pattern. As your ma'am is telling you, you can follow that pattern. So 2 9 ja 18. So again minus. So 8 minus 8 0, 1 minus 1 0. Remainder will be 0. Then 12 divided by 2. We know that 2 6 are 12. So we will write 12 here. We will do subtraction and this remainder is 0. So 6 is quotient, and here I have written also that in this question 2 is divisor, 3 is quotient, 0 is remainder, 6 is dividend. Look at these spellings. Divisor, the number by which we are dividing the number. Dividend, which is inside this. Quotient is that number from which we multiply the divisor to get the dividend. And remainder is the last one which we get after subtracting the number. And one more thing, there is a formula for this that we can check our division whether we have done division right or not. So formula for this is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Keep that in mind. Whenever you have to check the answer whether you have done right or wrong, so you can do this. Dividend always equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So like I have done here, so I can check this one. See, 2 6 are 12, remainder 0, so 12 is there. 2 9 are 18 plus 0, 18 is there. So we can check every sum with the help of this formula, and you have to by heart this formula. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So I hope all is clear to you. So please like, share and comment on this video, subscribe this channel, and let me know that whether these videos are fruitful to you or not, and what type of videos you want in future. So please share, like and do comment. So see you next class. Have a nice day.